Before there were planets, before mountains and oceans, before even the first atom existed, there was nothing. No space, no time, no matter. Just a silent, unimaginable potentially universe waiting to be born. And then, 13.8 billion years ago, the greatest event in all of cosmic history erupted, the Big Bang. Now, this wasn't an explosion in space, but an explosion of space itself. In that single, blinding instant, the universe transitioned from absolute nothingness to everything we know today: energy, matter, forces, laws, and motion. This is the ultimate geologic event because every rock, every mineral, every planet, and every single atom in your body traces its lineage directly back to this one moment. Let's break down this cosmic birth. Phase 1, the primordial flash. In the first fraction of a second, a universe smaller than a proton burst into existence. The temperatures were beyond imagination, the density infinite. In this chaotic soup, quantum fields collided and stabilized. The four fundamental forces, gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces, separated out, much like different minerals cooling and crystallizing from a single magma. This was cosmic differentiation on the grandest scale imaginable. Next came phase 2, inflation. In a period so brief it's almost inconceivable, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light. It wasn't matter flying outward. It was the very fabric of space stretching itself. This rapid expansion smoothed out the universe, making it incredibly uniform. The tiny quantum ripples from the first moment were frozen into the structure of spacetime, creating the blueprint for where galaxies would one day form. This was the universe, setting its structural geology, the fundamental fractures and density contrasts that would guide cosmic evolution forever. Then, in the first 3 minutes, we enter phase 3, the first elements. The universe was now a cosmic furnace. Protons and neutrons, the building blocks of matter, began to fuse together. They formed hydrogen, the most abundant element, and helium. A tiny trace of lithium was also created. These are the primitive geochemical signatures of the cosmos, the raw materials from which every future star and planet would be built. For millions of years, this was it. A vast, dark universe filled with clouds of hydrogen and helium gas. Phase 4 begins around 200 million years later. The first stars ignite. Over immense timescales, gravity worked its slow, patient magic. It pulled the vast clouds of hydrogen gas together, causing them to collapse under their own weight. As the pressure and temperature at their cores skyrocketed, a new kind of fire was lit: nuclear fusion. The first stars began to shine. These stars were giants, massive, incredibly hot, and unstable. They burned through their fuel in just a few million years, a mere blink of an eye in cosmic time. But inside their fiery hearts, they forged new, heavier elements: carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, the very building blocks of geology, biology, and the oceans. When these colossal stars died, they went out in spectacular supernova explosions, scattering these newly forged heavy elements like iron, gold, and uranium across the cosmos. This was the universe's geologic inventory being created and distributed. Finally, we arrive at phase 5, about 1 to 2 billion years after the Big Bang: planets, minerals, and worlds. From the stardust and enriched gas left behind by those first stars, gravity once again went to work, sculpting new stars, planets, asteroids, and moons. On worlds like our own, atmospheres and oceans formed. Minerals began to crystallize, rock started to cycle through processes like volcanism and erosion, and plate tectonics began to shape the surface. And somewhere in this dynamic geological system, life emerged, eventually leading to consciousness and intelligence. All of this arose from a cosmic furnace that lit itself. So here's the final, incredible insight. Every atom in your bones, every mineral in the Earth's crust, every molecule of water in the ocean was forged in the violent heart of a star that lived and died billions of years before our solar system even existed. You are not separate from the universe's origin. You are the universe's origin, condensed into consciousness. The birth of the universe isn't just a story for cosmology. It is the first, most fundamental chapter of geology, of chemistry, of biology, and of existence itself. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey through time fascinating, please like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into our amazing cosmos.